I smashed another pad for the Smashing Those Small Pads collaboration. This beautiful tea time florals, very springy. Stick around to see what I made. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is time again for the Smash Those Small Pads collaboration that I do with a couple of my friends. Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, and Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat on Instagram. Each month we just pull out a pad smaller than 12 by 12 and work on using it up. This month I used the Tea Time pad, and I believe this was from Queenacraft's. Beautiful, like springy florals, just kind of made me think of spring, and that's why I pulled that out. However, this was a really busy month, and so I knew I wanted to use it, but I needed to use it quickly. So I decided to utilize some sheetload of card sketches from Call Me Crafty Owl, and I will try to link the videos with that have these sketches in them below. But I started off with the August 2020 sketch because I pulled out all of hers that used 6x6 papers. I thought I'd start with those so that I wouldn't have any scraps. And so I started off with the August 2020 edition, and I got all of my cards made, but I did not have time to get sentiments on all of them and the finishing embellishments. So here's from this one made 6 cards. So from this particular sketch, I managed to finish off a few of them. Just was trying to focus on thank you, thinking of you, sympathy, and birthday. Those are the kind of the card needs I have for various things right now. So again, I need to finish off with some embellishments of some sorts, but I do have those. And then I have my scraps to finish off the other ones. And there should have been a 6th card somewhere. I'm not sure where it went. That's what happens when you're crafting in a hurry, kind of on the fly. There it is. So I have a 4th one. Then November 2021. And again, I got a sentiment on one because since I was running out of time, I didn't get to start these as early as I wanted. And then I was running out of time to get the video made for the collaboration. So I just pulled out some of the sentiments that I already had stamped kind of in the little basket that I keep on my desk. So that's what I used. And then I need to come back here probably later today and finish stamping my sentiments. And then we'll embellish as well. But here are the other cards. This one made 6 as well. So this last sketch that I used, the June 2021, I had, I don't know, 9 sheets left, 9 full sheets left. And so I was like, all right, I'm just going to finish off the pad with this sketch. So I ended up making 18 of these. And you know, again, the great things about these sketches is that they don't leave you with any scraps. So I have, you know, again, the thank yous, thinking of you, sympathies, birthdays. And I did change this one up a little bit. I added a bigger mat behind my pattern paper, and then I matted my sentiment. And I happen to have a bunch of these circle sentiments already sitting on my desk, so that worked out well. And then I need to finish off these last 2. So I got 18 of these, and then I had a few partial sheets left that I must have used for another project, and so I made 2 final cards. This one I just went ahead and did a full mat with pattern paper, and then made a focal point with the pattern paper, and then a band across. Added a circle sentiment, and all of my cards do have something like a strip on the inside. And then this one, because it was white, it was going to be like a white pattern on white, I brought in some more of that brown just to add an additional small mat, and then just threw the rest of the scraps I had on there. And then another sentiment. So in total, I got 30 cards from this 24 sheet, because it was 12 designs at 2 sheets, so 24 sheet pad, I got 40 cards. And like I said, I used 3 sheet loads, and because of the sheet loads, I was able to move through these like very quickly. Just kind of, especially this one, I just kind of did assembly line and cranked through those. That's one thing I love about Alicia's sheet loads, is that they make making a batch of cards super quick and easy. So that is my small pad. Please be sure to check out the links for Sarah and Kathy below to see what they made, like what small pad they used and what kind of project they focused on this month. Thank you guys so very much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.